बाबा साहब आपको, हे जननायक आपको मेरा बारंबार प्रणाम है।
Namo Buddhaya Jai Bhim. At the start of the day, cheer up your mind to be positive and energetic. Lift your heart with good loving thoughts for the rest of the day. In the evening, reflect on your day's actions, rejoice over your good actions, but learn from your mistakes by not repeating them. Impress upon your mind to be stronger, wiser and happier. Invite the Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha into your life for guidance and protection. Take the Buddha, the ideal of love, compassion, wisdom and purity, as your spiritual ideal in your thoughts and actions. Follow the Dhamma every day and in every way to fulfill your aspirations. Follow the noble Sangha who looks themselves through dignity.